Hello guys, welcome back. Here we are with another video on knowledge of computer applications. This is second part actually and include 15 more MCQs, making the total of 42 MCQs with part 1. Okay, so after this video we will upload another video which will include terms abbreviations used in IT, which is a part of syllabus. Terms and abbreviations used in IT, because lot of concepts and terms will get cleared to you by that video, so that you can solve the next MCQs easily on your own. Okay, after that, then as we promised, we will provide MCQs at least 400, out of which 42 have been already provided and uploaded. Okay guys, let's start this one. This one is very short video. It includes only 15 or 16 MCQs. Okay, so let's continue. So 27th, as we have completed 26 question in the previous video, so I'm starting from 27. This is actually part 2. Okay, तो पहला क्वेश्चन जो है यहाँ पे देखते हैं. Okay, one second. Okay, which of the following is valid statement? कौन सा statement इनमें से correct है? Data itself is useless unless it is processed. This is correct. Okay, let's check others. The data that is processed is called program. No, that's called information. Wrong. The data which is not yet processed is information. No, the data processed is information, not yet processed. So wrong. Information is processed by computer to generate data. Wrong. Data is processed to generate the information. So the correct out of these four are A part. A part is the correct one, because data itself is useless unless it is processed. Okay, clear? 27th, 28. Moving to the second. The second generation computer was based on. This we have covered in the very first lecture. First generation computers were based on vacuum tubes, and the second generation computers were based on transistors. So the correct answer for this is transistors. Okay, clear? Now moving forward, IBM System 360 is a mainframe computer, mini computer, microcomputer, none of the above. I hope this we have covered in the very first lecture. This is when we talked about the types of computer, IBM System 360 is a mainframe computer. So the correct answer for this is mainframe computer. Okay, ENIAC uses. This we have discussed it already, and its full form and what it is a first generation computer. Okay, so which type of which number system it uses, that is the question. So this system uses hexadecimal number system. So the correct answer for this is hexadecimal number system, but right now our computers use binary number system. Okay, clear? Moving forward, I hope you are enjoying these questions. They are very easy, basic, and we have already covered these in the previous videos. And let's move. Okay, so 31, bit stands for binary digits. Okay, bit of system, a part of byte, all of the above. No, it stands for binary digits. So the correct answer for this is A, binary digits. 32, the basic architecture of computer was developed by. बेसिक आर्किटेक्चर जो देखो, फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर हम चार्ल्स बेबेज को बोलते हैं, बट इससे पहले जो बेसिक आर्किटेक्चर जो डेवलप किया था वो जॉन न्यूमैन ने किया था. ये लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूजिंग होता है. देखो यहाँ पे कुछ चीज़ें आपको याद रखनी है कि फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर, हम जनरल फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर अगर आता है तो दैट इज चार्ल्स बेबेज. फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न कंप्यूटर साइंस इज दिस एलन ट्यूरिंग. ओके, बेसिक आर्किटेक्चर ऑफ कंप्यूटर वाज डेवलप्ड बाय जॉन न्यूमैन. ओके, this you have to remember. This there is a difference between these three. A lot of people get confused with all these. Okay, question 33 we have, in order to tell Excel that we are entering a formula in cell, we must begin with an operator such as. Okay, we have not covered yet Excel, Word and PowerPoint. etc. But still, let us solve this one also. So it is very easy. Whenever we start to write a formula in Excel, we use equal to sign. Okay, equal to sum and etc. Okay, so the correct answer for this is D, equal to. This was 33. Okay, 34. Which of the following memory is non-volatile? This we have clear in the third or fourth chapter, fourth lecture, in which we have discussed storage and all memory and all. So non-volatile is that memory which do not need electricity to store the data. So SRAM uses electricity, RAM is fully dependent on electricity or energy or power. So the correct answer for this is ROM, C, ROM. Okay, moving forward, 35. Which one of the following is not an application software package? कौन सा इनमें से एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर पैकेज नहीं है? माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस है, it includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Adobe PageMaker, this is an application software. OpenOffice, it is an application software. So the correct answer for this is, because it is asking which is not, so the correct answer is Red Hat Linux, because it is a system software. Okay, 36. An error is also known as, error को हम और क्या बोलते हैं? Error को हम bug बोलते हैं. So the correct answer, first option A option is the correct answer, because error is also called as bug. Okay, clear? 37th. Microsoft Word is an example of. Microsoft Word is an example of an operating system? No. Processing device? No. Application software? Yes. So the correct answer for this is application software, already discussed in the previous lectures. 38. Who invented the supercomputer? देखो यहाँ पे भी आपको ध्यान रखना है, चार्ल्स बेबेज नहीं लिखना है, बिकॉज इज द फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर. बेसिक आर्किटेक्चर न्यूमैन ने रखा है, बाकी एलन ट्यूरिंग इज फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न डे कंप्यूटर साइंस. ओके, सो यहाँ पे जो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है वो है डी, सैम्यूर क्रे. सैम्यूर Cray. So this is the correct answer. Okay, moving forward, DNS is in internet technology stands for. DNS in internet technology stands for distributed name system? No. Data name system? No. Dynamic name system? No. Domain name system. So correct answer is D. Okay, okay guys, let's move forward. And we have this one, 40th question. A storage system for small amounts of data is a magnetic card, B, magnetic tape, magnetic tape, C, punched card, D, optical mark reader, E, none of them. So the correct answer for this is magnetic card. Magnetic card is used for storing small amounts of data. Okay, moving forward, which is another name for functional language? Okay, 41st question. Another name for functional language? Machine? No. Application language? Low level, high level, none of them. So the correct answer for this is B, of application language. Another name for functional language is application language. 42. A stand-alone system which produces one page of printed output at a time is. वो सिस्टम, वो स्टैंड अलोन मीन्स एनी डेस्कटॉप और मशीन जो प्रोड्यूस करे एक पेज एट ए टाइम व्हेन वी गेट द आउटपुट ऑफ प्रिंटेड आउटपुट इज, वो प्रिंटर को हम क्या बोलते हैं? पेज प्रिंटर, लाइन प्रिंटर, लेजर प्रिंटर, डॉट मैट्रिक्स और नन ऑफ देम. तो करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस वन इज पेज प्रिंटर. Okay guys, thank you. Hope you have liked this video and hope you have solved these questions on your own, and most of the questions are very easy, basic. Okay, we will add some more MCQs on this topic, so stay tuned. And one more thing, after this video we are going to provide a new video as announced earlier. that will be terms and abbreviations used in IT. Okay, thank you, see you. Okay, bye.